children are actually capable of carrying multiple identities beautifully and speaking them effortlessly. Sometimes I watch children switch effortlessly between cultures, accents, and environments. And I think to myself, so when parents come to tell me, oh, Coach Tony, my spouse is not Igbo, I don't know if my child can really learn this language. I just smile a little because I know that from my experience in the field, the issue is rarely can the child learn. However, the real question is, will the language be intentionally systemized in the child's environment? So children naturally will embrace what is consistently exposed to them. How do we do that? The songs, the greetings, the words, the laughter, the stories. That's why I say Abankata. That is how identity is quietly groomed or diminishes. So it's not through occasional interruptions or rare exposures or speak to me in this language, I speak to you in that. It's by intentional, consistent moments and consistent exposures. And so the most beautiful transformations we've seen in Umuoma are actually from homes, where one parent simply decided that I don't want the language to die in my hands. And so that decision alone can change a generation. What a gift to give our children. The Igbo child is what is at danger here when we don't intentionally raise them. They can become confident if only we can connect them to their roots. Wherever they are, they grow up in a world with diverse intentions. But in Umuoma Igbo, they see their fellow children and they are encouraged. So parents, are you desirous to give your child that identity that you want? Would you want to join other intentional parents in the next cohort starting July 2026? Now, click on the link in the bio now. Kamutibo Jezumbanile. Kemesia.